Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox white screen. First, always check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. A weak signal can often cause loading issues. Next, try a simple restart of your computer or device. This can resolve many temporary glitches. Finally, quickly verify that Roblox servers are currently operational, as server outages can prevent the game from loading correctly for everyone. If initial checks don't work, your next step is to clear the Roblox cache. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, leading to display problems. After clearing, consider a complete uninstall and then reinstall of the Roblox player. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation. Also, double-check that your system meets Roblox's minimum requirements for smooth operation. Outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for display issues. Make sure to update your graphics drivers to their latest versions for optimal performance. Sometimes, running Roblox in compatibility mode for an older Windows version can resolve conflicts. Additionally, disable any third-party overlays or recording software, as these can interfere with the game's rendering process and cause the white screen. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Roblox. Try temporarily disabling them to see if the game loads. If it does, add Roblox as an exception to your security software settings to prevent future interference. If after trying all these steps the white screen persists, it's best to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer more personalized assistance for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.